Everyone, and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to test your typing skill and speed for free online. So today I need you to go to Typing Academy. You can find this very easily by using your Google search engine. If not, you can use this web address, www.typing.academy, and then it should bring you there. I've already started, got a little practice in, so that's why it tells me here my typing test is not meaningful, but I can continue the test. When you first start, you can decide whether you want to sign in, sign up. I wasn't sure if I was going to keep this information to go back to reference or not, since I was specifically using this for your instruction. So I didn't sign in or sign up. But if you are curious and you just want to check out your typing speed, you can definitely come to this website and not put any personal information in, and you can test your typing speed. So here's what you do. You go to typing test, and this is just some of my scores. I've done 4 minutes worth of typing. It tells me that my error rate is 3.24, and I type an average of 55.6 words per minute. If you sign in, it's going to tell you over time how well you have improved, what you can work on, and those things. I say that knowing your typing skill and speed makes a huge difference, and I say that because it's very attractive on a resume. So when you put 55 words per minute in your skills, that's very attractive to an administrative position. Also, as a college student, it breaks down a lot of, time that you spend on typing. It shows how much faster you're able to complete tasks versus what it would be like if you were just typing one key at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it goes. I'm not sure exactly how it looked when I first started, but you can go through a test and it'll say start the typing test, and you click on that and it'll bring you up to this simple test where you'll do the time, it'll say the signs, how many words per minute, your errors, error rate, and your last key. It does not begin until you type the first letter. Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is. See, I had a mistake on the D, so I had to press the D again. So that is one thing that does throw me for a loop because I'm used to pressing backspace. So when you're typing here, you don't fix your mistakes, you just type that key once again and it'll bring you on. That also brings your error rate up, but it's not something that I would be worried about. But the more you practice, the higher your score will be, and the faster you'll actually be able to type. I've been typing for quite a long time, so I've had plenty of practice and utilized my typing skills for a lot of different things such as school activities and social media fun, etc. I honestly rather type on a 10 key keyboard than on my phone. It goes so much faster for me. Definitely use the skills because you'll lose them. Although I never really lost my typing skills, I just probably could go a lot faster with a lot less mistakes had I practiced every day. And that's what this program is definitely good for. Oh, and I'm running into a pickle here. You can set the time for a smaller limit. This one is set for 2, but if you go down right here, you can set the duration for 1. And I'm just going along. Okay, and so of course I was kind of talking, not paying attention. not giving my full effort in. And it shows you here that I got 163 out of 1,000 points. So I'm assuming there's 1,000 words. My average is 42 words per minute, which is still very great. However, my mistakes could be a little better. And before that, my error rate was 3. So definitely before 4. But just to go ahead and show you, you can definitely come to Typing Academy anytime. Sign up, don't sign up, use the program, test your typing skill and speed, and use that to your advantage as a skill. And definitely put it on your resume if it's a good number. Well, thank you for attending my how-to video today, and I hope that using Typing Academy helps you.